Today is the first day of my pre-op diet for my gastric sleeve. So I get 900 calories, 60 grams of protein, and I gotta drink a lot of water. But I get to start off with this, which I've heard is pretty good. So we shall see. But I'm excited. My surgery is on December 4th. And yeah, I am excited. I'm not really nervous. I'm just really excited. So I'm barely awake, guys. So if I'm not making sense, that's why. I'm still processing. Yesterday, I went to the rheumatologist, found out I have fibromyalgia. I'm still processing that. It's good to have a diagnosis and to know why all the things are occurring with me. So we have a diagnosis, which means that we are beginning to have a path, which is what I need. So things are looking up. Things are looking up. But I hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to try my breakfast. And then hopefully I'm going to get some work done. Love you all.